Hello. Yes, good morning, everybody. I hope you can hear my voice and at the same time see my screen. This is the third day of November. So far on this chart, we've seen the price pull back to the upper side. Yesterday, the price moved massively to the upper side before bouncing off of this resistance zone. It went down. It couldn't hit the starting point. Instead, it formed a new zone, which is this one and this one here. So as it is right now, as we're talking right now, even though we are looking for buy positions, we may see the sellers push price downwards. We actually expect a buy from around this area, this green zone. This is the best place to look for a buy from. If the price descends below that zone, so as I was saying, if the price should descend below this zone, then this should give us the best place to look for a sell from. But as it is right now, this remains to be a good place to be looking for a buy from. We do expect that if the buyers bounce off from this point, we're going to look for a buy position, expecting that the buyers will continue to push us downwards, at least up to the level which I've mentioned. So that's my opinion. That is my opinion on this chart. The other chart which I want us to have a look at is I want us to look at the British pound dollar here. On this chart, do not focus on the charts that we have. Don't focus on the two zones. This close two zones, there where the price is right now. We do expect that the price is going to continue to the upper side. Let's ignore this and wait for a break above this line here. So should the price ascend above these two lines, then that will be the best place to consider looking for more buy positions. We will expect that the bars will push us to the upper side. So in case the price ascends above these two lines, we will expect a continuation to the upper side, at least up to 1.22725. If this is broken, then we will expect the price to continue much higher. So as it is right now, we want to see a breakout above 1.22255. This line here, if that happens, our target is this one. If this target is broken, then we will expect the price to continue much higher. So that's my opinion on that chart. The next chart is the US dollar Japanese yen. With the US dollar Japanese yen so far, we are looking at this support level. We have this support level, we have this support level, and we have a very good resistance zone here, 151.669. If the price should ascend and close above that level, then that will be a good place to consider looking for more buy positions from. If the price goes above it, we will be expecting the buyers to continue to be in control. That is a break, and a close above that level will mean that the price is continuing much higher. So that's my opinion on that chart. The other chart which I want us to have a look at is the Brent oil. With Brent oil so far, we are having good zones. We have the first zone here. This is the first zone. It is 89.253, 88.8004, and then the other one is this one. This is 84.374, and the other one is 83.477. So either the price ascends above this line and continue upwards up to this level, or the price descends below this level, and the next one is this one. Is the zone below it. So anytime you buy within one zone, have your stop loss below the low of the next zone. So anytime the price descends below a given zone, or bounces off from a given zone, maybe a green zone, your stop loss should be set below the low of the next green zone. And when you pick a sell position, your stop loss is fixed above the high of the next zone, the next red zone. So that's how you have your stop loss. Your take profit should be anywhere in between these two zones, or at the beginning of this zone here. The other chart is silver. With silver also, we are having a very good zone. If you put aside these two zones, if you leave these zones, this one and this one, we have a very good resistance, we have a very good support, we have a very good support, we have a very good support, we have a resistance, and we have a resistance here. So as it is right now, we are looking at this zone. If the price descends below it, the next zone is this one. If the price descends below it, the next zone is this one. If the price ascends above this zone, the next zone is this one, and the next one is this one here. So that's my opinion on that chart. The other chart is gold. With gold, so far we are looking at this resistance. We have a resistance. This is a support. We have a support. We ignore this too. So when the price goes and touches this resistance, this will be the best place to look for a sell from. If the price goes and touches this support, then this will be the best place to look for a buy from. So we're just waiting to see what happens. When the price touches any of those zones, we will be expecting a reversal to the opposite direction. So as I've mentioned, your stop loss should be fixed at the high of the next zone for a sell, and for a buy, your stop loss should be fixed below the low of the next zone. So thank you very much. That should bring us to the end of today's analysis. We'll meet again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you, and see you. Sorry, we'll meet again on Monday at the same time. Thank you.